Hi, this is Bruno from Bella Vista. Today we're going to take a look at a new arrival. This is a 2018 Shadow Cruiser 200 RDS by Cruiser RV. The Shadow Cruiser is an ultra-light travel trailer built from a 5-sided aluminum framework with a fiberglass skin and a hard fiberglass cap in the front. So let's take a look at some of the great features of this trailer. So up front on this unit we have optioned in the power tongue jack. We have a beautiful painted front cap with LED lights and large stone guard. We have large pass-through compartments that are slam shut baggage doors, which is great. Large power awning with LED light strip and 2 outside speakers. Aluminum tires and the hybrid aluminum steel step. Now the 200 RDS is a very unique floor plan because we have a rear slide, but let's take a look inside and see the great features. So first thing is, our rear slide is actually our dinette. You'll notice it's a nice large dinette, width-wise as well as depth-wise. Lots of windows around, and across from our dinette is actually our entertainment area. Then we have a nice kitchen. We have our sink cover as well as a large stainless steel double wide sink with our residential pull down style faucet. Now what I love in 2018 on the Shadow Cruisers is that we have a recessed range with glass top, so it gives you lots of prep area. But if you're not cooking inside and you're barbecuing, as many of us RVers do, you just get that extra prep space and a beautiful oven with glass door. Large double door fridge and freezer, queen size bed up front. Nice large windows you'll notice on both sides of the bed, as well as wardrobe and storage above and around the bed. We also have storage underneath the bed. Now a great little feature is actually our solid pocket doors, which give us that privacy if you happen to have any guests over. But what I really love is this great washroom. We have an extra large shower, so it's rectangular but very wide compared to some of the narrow showers that you see. Big skylight above to let lots of natural light. Really good countertop space. Our medicine cabinet as well as storage below. And then additional linen storage here in the bathroom. We also have a couple of great pantry closets right here across from your kitchen, so you have some great storage. Now we do use a barreled ceiling in the unit. You can just see it here in the profile of this video. So you'll get 6 feet 9 inches of clearance in the center. And of course, as I mentioned, we are a full aluminum framework. So aluminum studding in the walls, not a perimeter frame, so much more strength in our walls. Aluminum in our roof structure. And then our floors are 24-foot pieces of tongue and groove plywood that are wrapped to keep our plywood flooring dry. And then on top of it, this is an extended season coach, so we actually have a sealed and heated underbelly, so we are blowing heat into that underbelly itself. So some absolutely great features on a Shadow Cruiser. The 200 RDS is about 20 feet in length as a box size, but when the slide goes out, we'll give you a little more living space overall. Well, this is Bruno from Bella Vista saying thank you for viewing our video on the 2018 Shadow Cruiser 200 RDS by Cruiser RV. For more information on the great Shadow Cruiser products, please visit our website at www.bellavista.rv.com. If you liked the video, please click the like button. And if you'd like to subscribe, please click the subscribe button. You'll be notified of upcoming new videos as well as great products that come in and different reviews. This is Bruno saying thank you for viewing the video. Have yourself a happy and safe camping season.